to this amazing portal that you've entered to help you raise your vibration and totally shift your life. Hi, I'm Slade, creator of High Frequency Foods. When we let go of what no longer serves us, we get into alignment with source energy. And when we're in alignment, our passion and our purpose become effortless. You are a beacon of light, and everything that you desire is trying to reach you at every moment. The only thing holding you back is not letting go of what doesn't serve you. I know you have a passion, and I can help you fulfill it. High Frequency Foods is a powerful system to help you let go, raise your vibration, and align with your purpose. So click the button below and schedule a brief 15-minute call with me. This call is a chance for us to explore how I can support you in reaching your goals and see if this path aligns with your vision and your desires. Come ready with any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them when we chat. And I can't wait to connect with you and see how we can move forward together. Thank you for your courage. I'm Slade, and this is High Frequency Foods.